This is the best way to apply your foundation for a smooth and flawless skin-like finish. First is to always prep your skin. Even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize so your skin stays hydrated underneath your makeup. Now wait for some minutes for your skin to fully absorb the moisturizer. Apply sunscreen to protect your skin. Then you also wait few minutes for your sunscreen to sit in before you apply primer. Make sure the moisturizer and sunscreen you are using works really well with your makeup products. And if you're going in with primer, allow it to sit for about 2 minutes before you apply your foundation. Now it's time to apply your foundation. Place a little bit of the foundation on the back of your hand. Pick it up with your finger and distribute it all over your face. Use a dense foundation brush and tap the product very lightly into your skin until you have that perfect coverage. Do not drag your foundation because it will end up looking patchy and uneven. The more you tap around your face, the better your foundation is going to look. And if you need more coverage, then you can go in with a little bit more foundation. Then you want to go back in with a damp beauty sponge to pick up the excess product on your skin. One of the secrets to a flawless base is setting your foundation or your makeup with a powder puff instead of a brush. So to set your foundation with powder, go in with a powder puff, tap off the excess powder on the back of your hand, then you gently press the powder puff into your skin to set your makeup. And now that your foundation is set with powder, it won't move around on your skin and it will last all through the day. Try out this foundation application technique and you will achieve a smooth and flawless face routine. Let me know what you think, and I hope this video was helpful.